Now, a lot of people call me and ask, what is the most accurate test I could do for my well water at home? And there's different things you can do as far as a quick test from Lowe's or Home Depot, but the most accurate test is an independent lab test. If you want an independent lab test and you don't want to go through the process of finding a lab, calling a lab, having them come to your house, pick up a sample, take it back to the lab, test it, and charge you hundreds and hundreds of dollars for those accurate lab tests, we solve that problem for you. We have a lab test that comes all in one kit. It tests for 53 different contaminants. It's very easy to use. It's $199. We ship it directly to your house. You go through the process, follow the instructions, and then you drop it off at a FedEx store, and it goes to an independent lab, and the test results are completed in about a week or so. A good water test can check for a multitude of different contaminants. Our lab test that we send out to you tests for 53 different contaminants, including things like pH, iron, hardness, and bacteria. Once you order the test kit on our website, it gets shipped out directly to you. It comes in this padded package that you also use to resend your sample back to the lab. Basically what you get is you get 2 sample bottles, a large bottle for your first draw without any water being ran, and then you'll run your water for about 5 minutes and take another sample with this. You freeze this at the same time. This is your preservative packet that keeps the samples cold. You fill out your card with all your information, place it in the plastic bag, put everything back in this resealable envelope, and take it to a FedEx store, drop it off, and it goes directly to the lab. Once the lab receives your samples, it will test them, and then you'll get the results by email in about 5 days. Some people ask me, are the test kits from Lowe's or Home Depot accurate? They're not bad, but they don't measure a parts per million. They don't give you a number. They just give you a color to match on a color chart, where our test kit gives you a parts per million reading and a very accurate reading at that. The most useful thing you get back from a real lab test is accuracy. They are extremely accurate. They give you a parts per million number for everything that's tested and an explanation of what you need to do as far as filtration if necessary. If you want to order one of our lab tests, go to www.midatlanticwater.net. The test kit is $199. We ship it directly to you. You get the results in about 5 business days through email once the lab receives your samples, and we can go over that test kit with you and tell you exactly what you need or don't need as far as water filtration.